Hi everyone, this video is about how to convert ESD-USB back to normal external hard drive. Recover data after converting an external drive to ESD-USB. Launch Minitool Power Data Recovery. Click Hard Disk Drive category. Select the problematic external drive and click Scan. Check the needed files and click Save. To save them, you need to upgrade the tool to a paid edition. Run chkdsk to revert the ESD-USB drive to normal. Search for CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Input chkdsk HF and press Enter. Replace H with the drive letter of your external hard drive. Input Exit and press Enter. Create a new partition to revert the ESD-USB drive to normal. Right-click Windows Start button. Select Disk Management. Right-click the unallocated space on the external drive. Select New Simple Volume. Click Next. Specify volume size and click Next. Select NTFS and click Next. Click Finish. Format the partition to revert the ESD-USB drive to normal. Open Disk Management. Right-click the partition on your external and select Format. Select NTFS File System and click OK. Click OK to confirm the operation. Thanks for watching. For more information, please leave comments or contact us via support@minitool.com.